everybody, it's your boy Enrico the barber. This is my client Nikhil. Today we're going to be doing a skin fade tutorial as well as a texture top. We're going to be adding some enhancements on his beard as well. So hope you guys stay tuned. Please like, comment and subscribe below. So first off, when starting with skin fade, you need to figure out if you're going to give your client a mud, low or high skin fade. So my client over here wants a mud skin fade. So starting off with the mud skin fade, you need to start your first guideline needs to be in line with your client's eyebrow, and it needs to be straight right around the entire head. So first off, I'm going to start with vertical guideline in over here. So guidelines on both sides of it is equal, so it needs to be in line with the eyebrow over here, and same thing on the other side as you can see. So now we're gonna start off by taking our magic clip and bringing the zero up to our first guideline. Just to start by taking off the bulk of it. So now that we've cleaned with our balding clipper, we're going to take our wall shavers. And when using that shaver, you always flick. Same thing as we did with the balding. You always flick. You never just, because then if you just keep it in a motion, keeping it flat like this, you create another guideline. So when using it, bring it up to a certain point, and you flick. So now for our next step, we'll be taking our number 2 card and we'll be creating our next guideline. So give yourself a nice guideline like this. I'm using my number 2 card. This would be my first guideline. This is just to take the bulk amount of hair off the bottom part, the bottom area over here where we're going to fade, so that it can make it much easier to give us more room to fade as well. So you can just continue to do this in line for around a second. Now that we've created our first guideline with the number 2 guard, we're going to take our wall magic gloves. We're going to open it up fully so it's on the half guard right here. And we're going to give ourselves a 1-inch guideline right around it. Now we're going to start fading out the first guideline that we created. So we'll take our wall magic clippers and then we'll start working it down from the clipper to be wide open. We're going to work it down gradually until we're back on 0. So you just go over it once again, clipper open, and then you close it just a bit, and then you fade on that same line, just on the bottom line over here. And you just flick on that line. You don't need to cut very deeply, you just need to flick on that line. And move our clippers down a bit more. Adjust it a bit more. And then you keep doing this process until you see that this guideline entirely disappears. So now for the next step that we've got our first guideline out, we're going to start working on our next line. So for this line, we'll be using a 1.5 clip as well as our number 1 clip. So first off, we'll just start off by making it a bit short with a 1.5 clip. take our number 1 clip. We're gonna start off by fading while it's open and then gradually moving it closed. So you'll be using the same flick motion. And always brush to make sure that the hairs are laying nice and that our bottom guideline is not as bold as it was in the beginning. We can take our half clip and same process. Start with our half clip open and gradually move it down until it's short enough to cut and close. So start with our clip is open and then gradually opening lower. Now that you've gotten through majority of our fade, we're going to start grinding the sides with the scissors and we're going to start shortening the top as well. So when shortening the top of the line fade, always make sure that you have a good amount of water in the top, because it makes it much easier to give them a trim on the top. So my client doesn't want a lot taken off of the top, so we're just going to give him a slight trim. So I'll start off in the back by creating a small section. Bring the hairs up, measure a centimeter. Starting from the back and moving to the front. So when doing the lineup, always starting in the middle of the hair. Now we're going to move on, we're going to clean our client's line up with the blade. Done the lineup, the fade is looking nice and crispy clean. We're going to shaping your client's beard on the side over here, always try and keep it as natural as possible. So don't take it in too much. So try and keep it as natural as possible over here on the sides. We just take our machine on half and then we'll comb through the moustache just to make sure all the hairs are standing up. You can lay down nice. So now next we'll be using our scissors for all the long hairs that are standing up hardly, because my client wants his beard to look nice, flat and neat. So we're just going to give him a nice neat finish. Just take your scissors, all the hairs that are standing out of place, you can just chop them off. Make sure the beard has a nice clean shape. that I use for applying enhancements. So as you can see in this area here, there's a lot of patches, so we're just gonna solidify. So we'll just put dye. Now we take our straight razors. We just make the line top instead of passing solidly. Guys, this is the end product of our mid-skin for fade tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment,